make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. I got so many bars, call it kamikaze. Ain't nobody ever gonna never stop me. And I know that I can be a little cocky. That's the byproduct of hard work, no it's not free. I'm at a top speed, I think you lost me. Do not cross me, I keep dropping all these hits and I know that they watching. They keep showing up in my place, always knocking. Knock, knock, bitch, I've been standing right here. Been over 3 years and then you just got here. Man, get me a beer and open up the mirrors. Let me show you now what you've been missing for years. Call it premiere, I can take a boy's name and steer, or take it up a gear and end your career and make you feel fear, or make you disappear. Cause I am right here, we're not going nowhere. Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. And when I rap, yeah, man, I snap fast. Like your girl's back, get a clap, clap, break it in, smack. Shawty like a quick snack, like it when I'm all up in there. I'm finna win it like I win stacks. Every single that I'm in, man, it's been fat. These haters all get whacked when I spit max. These haters all get bit in the pit fast. You better get cracked, so you better move back. Y'all don't wanna play with a pro, not today. I'ma make you wish you were gone in my A. You gon' be my bitch, be my pawn when I play. You gon' be my bitch, take my palm to the face. You know I need biz when I'm on fucking stage. You ain't never gonna get me to be tame. I go insane, you can't detain this B.O. when I came to stay. Cause girl, I came to play. Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gon' get it, yeah.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Said I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never profit, got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest, knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch, poppin', spittin' hot shit, I'm poppin', chronic, I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Making facts, matter of fact, making racks where it's at. Have my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a back, no react, no react. Think I'm black, off his ass, while I rap, bounce a snap, throw a jab, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the man, got a plan better than most brands. Goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die, never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy, get the time that I'm right, yeah.
Like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Front row, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, living for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it, yeah.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from these haters. Playing tracks for the traitors. Got the passion in depths when it happens. Factions take actions, drafting their captains. It's happening. I'm raising my status, facing the madness. I'm out gaining traction, avoid the distractions. I'm snapping, no captions, attracting reactions, adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits, I don't fucking ask bitch, I just fucking grab it. I am never static, massively active, expanding, backslid, planning to have it. So I will go after it, and I'ma stay after it. I'm gonna fucking master it, put them on blast it. They will never last it, don't be so dramatic. Not my demographic, this shit is democratic. They vote effects, yeah bitch.
No fear, I'm standing right here, eyes clear, with my mind clear, never look clear, only up, never down, off the ground till I'm found, hear the sound, listen to me now, as the beat pounds, every ounce of my ever pouring out, so you never have a doubt, do you like me now, am I good enough now, should I get more loud, to get hear the fucking sound, don't know, I'm losing my shit again, having to fit again, man I'm forgetting when, I used to have some friends, I used to play pretend, we all grow up and then, hating my phone and trends, I'm about to blow my head, nobody knows I'm dead, here I'm a ghost instead, think that I'm close, I get straight comatose in bed, try to go slow with breath, breathe out my nose and head, heart doesn't go the trend, faster it goes instead. One shot, that's all you got, take it right now, before you get lost, yeah, one shot, that's all you got, write your own story, control the plot, yeah, one shot, that's all you got, could drop dead now, with a fucking blood clot, yeah, one shot, give it all you got, and never back down, no I'm never gonna stop, yeah, one shot, that's all you got, take it right now, before you get lost, yeah, one shot, that's all you got, write your own story, you control the plot, yeah, one shot, that's all you got, could drop dead now, with a fucking blood clot, yeah, one shot, give it all you got, and never back down, no I'm never gonna stop, yeah, I know that I'm a little OCD, the people close to me already know this, it's how it's supposed to be, cause nobody's perfect, something to work towards, that's worth it. You need something that's worth more, you deserve it. Find a thing that you love and preserve it. If you're heading down the wrong path, then reverse it. Put your head down and damn it, start working, cause we all need a little bit of hope to help us cope as we go down this road on our own, never knowing where it goes. Always wonder if we're close, always wonder if we chose the right fork in the road. Who knows? You don't, I don't, is everybody stoned? I've grown, cause I'm sick of mediocrity. Where's the quality? Everything's about quantity. Ironically, we feed our minds constantly, but don't think logic.
Tac reload. Tac reload. Reloading. Tac reload. Tac reload. Tac reload. Bomber down. Bomber down.
Mission clock, 30 seconds left. Wiped out all enemy.
God damn, I put so many bullets into that guy. Fucking knew he was down there. Uh. Team, just sit right there. Just AFK right there, please. Thank you. He's still not dead. There's 4 of them there. Hello? Hello? Team?
Destroy all enemy.
Grenade, move!
Lex, any types on what to do when you're facing a sniper in a 1v1 situation? It's hard to rush an angle and push him, but
C4 carrier is down. Recover the device.
Tac reload! Tac reload! Take a grenade! Reloading! Tac reload!
Our C4 is planted. Keep watch. Last man in the field.
where was I? How do you deal with a sniper in a 1v1 situation? Try and catch him off guard. When I snipe, I don't usually hold an angle for longer than 2 seconds because I have an attention span of a 2-year-old. But play slower. Don't if you're in an immediate 1v1 with him, don't push him right away. I guess try and play slower. Make him try and come into your angle rather than you go into his angle. If you have a grenade launcher, if you know where he is, try and grenade launcher him out. You can try and jiggle peek him, which is when you go around the corner so slowly. Going left and right. I'm pretty good. How about you, top 10? Flex likes fast gameplay. True. When asked, most people say they're gonna donate $1 billion to charity or shit, but we all know we're gonna buy Shrek related things. Yeah, like say this is the corner and you have to go around it, and there's a sniper right here. You can go like this until he maybe shoots and misses, and then you pull out on him. Yeah. Oh no, that's just another way to approach it. Ooh, nice 1D.
Attack reload. Attack reload.
Spectating now again. Dude, I'm out here. Slaying. Can I get a yeet? He's probably gonna camp under. Can you donate $5 in Steam? No, sorry. Where the fuck is this guy? He's back over there. Hello? I hear him. Yo, where is this guy? Stop. Yo, that's just a die. Flex played Roblox with the memes. Maybe in the future, I don't know. I've never played Roblox. Like my boyfriend is also streaming right now, but I'm in Flex's chat instead. Oof. Yo, Julia, that's rough. Yikes, dude, you're actually cheating.
Fall back! Keep focus at Alpha Point. Attack reload. Attack reload. Reloading.
Do I have bad days in games? Yeah, of course, all the time. Fuck Deagle, get the M45. Nah, it's a Deagle only stream, dude. We're going for headshots, brother. I just reloaded and it reloaded to 5 ammo instead of 6. Odd. Odd. I'm using a 144 hertz. What's the room number? I'm gonna make a new room after this game, maybe. I'm gonna make it on NA server. Looks like a CS clone. It's a free-to-play FPS game. That's not pay to win, so you get what you get. You don't put any money into the game, and you get a solid FPS game that isn't free to pay to win, not free to win. The fuck am I saying? Free to lays, free to lay chips. Yo, thank you for the $1 donation, brother. Appreciate that a lot. Pole cop 90, appreciate it. It's on Steam, by the way, if you wanna take a gamble with it. Okay. Alright, Ben, I see you. What's up, baby girl? Let me slide in those DMs, brother. What the faster underground. Yo, yeet. Wait, that's spawn. Yeah. First dono I've seen in this chat. Wow. Yeah, it's called super chat. But YouTube takes like 33% of it. So any donation you do in super chat, I think YouTube takes 33%. Cool. Flex, teach me how to concentrate. That's on your mind. What the fuck? Hello? Yo, I'm down, I'm down. Yo! Get the fuck back here, dude. Don't ever scare me like that, brother. Spooky, scary skeletons. Hello, brother. Okay, 1 HP. If I hit that third shot, I could've killed him.
You lost the match.